The Norwegian Luna carries thousands of passengers, but we've been discovering places where you can feel almost completely alone. Hi, my name is Tori from KirkToriStory, where my husband Kirk and I sold our house in Canada, and we've been traveling the world on cruise ships since 2022. As much as I love being on ships and around enthusiastic guests, I also like to discover the quiet corners, the hidden loungers, and secret views on ships where I can just really relax. So even on a big ship like this, the NCL Luna, if you know where to go, you can still find incredible, peaceful spaces. Let's start with one of our favorite discoveries. Number 1, the quiet corners of Ocean Boulevard on Deck 8. One of the best hidden areas on the ship is actually one of the largest spaces aboard. Ocean Boulevard wraps all the way around Deck 8, but here's what most passengers don't realize. They stay near the busy restaurants and the bars, and they never walk the entire loop. If you keep exploring, you'll discover quiet loungers near the glass OceanWalk bridges, shaded alcoves tucked between the venues, and peaceful seating areas that many passengers never even reach. Sometimes you can sit here with nothing but ocean views and the sound of waves. Hidden spot number 2, the glass OceanWalk bridges. While you're walking Ocean Boulevard, you'll eventually find one of the most unique features on the ship, the glass OceanWalk bridges. These extend out over the side of the ship with glass floors that let you look straight down at the ocean. During busy hours, people stop for photos, but early in the morning or later in the evening, they can feel surprisingly peaceful, and the views are incredible. Hidden spot number 3, waterfront seating at Indulge Food Hall. Here's a simple trick that many passengers overlook. If you grab food from Indulge Food Hall, don't just sit inside. Take your meal outside to the waterfront seating along Ocean Boulevard. You'll get ocean breezes, quieter tables, and some of the best sail-away views on the ship. Dining outside here completely changes the experience. And hidden spot number 4, secret seating behind Indulge Food Hall. There are actually seating areas tucked behind Indulge Food Hall that many passengers don't even realize exist. Because they're slightly out of sight, it's a great place to relax with a coffee, a dessert, or just a quiet moment. Hidden spot number 5, the Soleil bar wake views. Now, if you continue walking all the way to the aft of Ocean Boulevard, you'll reach the area near Soleil bar. Many people pass through quickly, but this spot has some of the best wake views on the ship. It's a fantastic place for a drink while watching the ship's trail stretch across the ocean, especially during sail away or sunset. Now, I've already told you that Ocean Boulevard during the day is beautiful, but at night, it becomes something completely different. The lighting along the walkway is stunning. The crowds thin out, and the entire area feels calm and peaceful. This is one of our favorite places for a quiet evening walk, and even just sitting around under the stars. Hidden spot number 6, the edges of the observation lounge. Now, the observation lounge is one of the most popular spaces on board, but most people gather right in the center of the room. If you walk toward the edges along the side windows, you'll often find comfortable chairs tucked near the walls. These spots can be perfect for those early times in the morning for a sunrise view, or later in the evening when the lounge quiets down. It's a wonderful place to sit with a coffee and watch the sea. Since we are relaxing here in the observation lounge, I thought I would ask you to just please take a second and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. I am hoping that you're liking the information that we provide to you all about cruising, and especially about this particular series that we're doing on the NCL Luna. Hidden spot number 7, the Horizon Park. It literally is a super quiet sitting area above the kids' aqua park. So there's a lot of seating, as you can see. There we have a lot of loungers. So overall, you just really need to bring a book and you'll be all set. It does overlook the pool, but it is really a great place to have space to yourself. And now for number 8. This is an outdoor area on deck 7. Now, there is no seating here, but it is a great place to view the water and even just to hang out and have a standing conversation, or you could even do a little outdoor exercise in private. I haven't seen too many people here. There really is no draw here other than the peace, the quiet, and the beautiful views. Hidden spot number 9, Swirl Wine Bar. Another hidden gem on board is Swirl Wine Bar. This is really one of my favorite places to hang out. This cozy wine lounge is tucked away on deck 6 aft, and because it's slightly off the main traffic flow, many passengers walk right past it. Inside you'll find comfortable seating, soft lighting, and a curated selection of wines from around the world. It's a perfect place for a relaxed pre-dinner drink or a quiet conversation. There are also lots of different wines to try out there. They even have a few wine tasting events throughout the cruise, so be sure to be on the lookout for those. And hidden spot number 10, the Metropolitan Bar. Another venue that often stays surprisingly calm is the Metropolitan Bar. This stylish cocktail bar features on-craft cocktails and sustainable ingredients. Because many people head toward louder entertainment venues, this bar can feel like a peaceful escape for a sophisticated drink. Now, this is also where they've been hosting the progressive trivia games too, so it is a perfect place for everyone to have a chance to talk, to hear one another, to drink, and just to have fun. And hidden spot number 11, early morning pool deck. Now, here's a hidden moment most passengers never experience. If you come up before breakfast, you'll often have the entire area almost to yourself. The ocean is calm, the chairs are empty, and it's one of the most peaceful moments on the ship. Hidden spot number 12. And now, this is my added bonus. We're in the Humidor. Now, I do know that this is a cigar smoking lounge. I don't smoke. I definitely don't smoke cigars or anything, but the Humidor, when it's empty, it's incredible. It's so cozy. It's dimly lit. I can watch TV. I can listen to distant music. It's wonderful in here. So maybe this is another place we can hang out until a smoker arrives. Now for Tori's cruise tips. If you want to find hidden spots on any cruise ship, explore it early in the morning or later in the evening. That's when the ship reveals its quietest and most beautiful spaces. One thing that we do love about this ship, the Norwegian Luna, is that even though it carries thousands of passengers, there are still places where you can slow down, where you can relax and enjoy the ocean. And sometimes those peaceful spaces are just a few steps away from the busiest parts of the ship. Stay tuned for our next video in our Norwegian Luna series. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.